about to go down.
Good morning. It is Saturday, and you Ashley. Morning. No, sir. The skin look nice. Oh, skin look nice. The skin look nice. It is a snow morning, and I just decided that I'm gonna start off the vlog. Yeah, and I have exciting news. I'm excited, my glad bike bus, but I'm not gonna say that until later, okay? Later. So just want to start off the vlog. Please do remember to like, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend, and join the family. Yeah, it is a snow morning. XO. What you have to say to the people then?
And no matter this, guys, I snow.
that you have to say? That you will say, oh, how is the program for you?
Good morning.
Peace.
Love and cocoa bread.
Love and cocoa bread. Ashley, how's work today? Ashley, are you no sorry Cardigan?
No.
How was work today?
Oh God, I'm so over you.
Over me or over work?
Over you.
Oh. And guess what? We're going home early today. Are you happy about that? Are you?
It's love and cocoa bread. Say that, boy.
You know, when I feel no way. Like, honest. Well, guess what? Them always say, oh, Vanessa don't care about hours. She just wants to come and go. So, we don't have to say.
Come on. I don't know hours yet. Because my brain now.
You can have 34 or close to 35. Because it said 20. May I have. No, I'm not dumb. If I could get 4.5 hours, I only have 29.
Which one?
And then remember, say you have point, you have quarter, and then you have.
Which way you look, see, say you have 29.
And there's something. Look. Oh, you think I that me calculate? You're not that smart. Come, you meet. You go Songle weekly summary. See that 29.45.
Oh, 29.45.
Them are cut 2 hours, guys. Them are send you home. I actually want me to do a dirty dry head.
Oh my God.
Before she wait until Valentine's Day.
Me a Valentine's?
Yes. We are your Valentine's. Me, Roxanne. We're going out for dinner, remember? Anyway, what am I going home to do today? I'm going to do my unboxing, guys. I'm so excited. You'll see in the next clip. We're excited bad. We're glad back boss.
Okay.
If you know what, drop it in the comments down below. Drop it before you reach the next clip. Well, obviously I go sit on the picture. Stupid. You go see it anyway. You don't know how already. Actually now I'm paying me no mind, you know.
Right. So we get 3 pay for that month, yeah, for February.
That's how you make a difference. No make a difference.
One we get paid first, the 15 and the 29.
After Valentine's Day.
We get paid after we forget pay after Valentine's Day. Like what the fuck? Oh my God.
How when your rent due? My rent due the 16th.
No, when due the week after I get paid. The blank week, you rent due, pardon. So when we get paid first now, and we get paid the first now and spend half all of that the money there. You know, so then I get no rent till the 15 when I get paid again. Okay.
Alright, let me give you a mentorship moment. Okay, this is Ben Talk. Welcome to Ben Talk. So, them cut way.
Give me one more second.
Stop and interrupt me. Alright? So, this is to everyone out there who have an employer like this place, right? That's been cutting you a lot, right? Now remember, by law, they're supposed to give us 35 hours. Last week we got 40. This week we just a touch of 35 hours, right? Now, if you look on the ski resort, it kind of slow this season. So if they pay all 100,000 now, well, 100 and add. A whole heap of workers, I'm having about 300 workers. We understand that I have nothing to do with it, but you have to think about the business aspect of it. You understand? Because if them pay all away the money where we want, them are going to bankruptcy. And if they're going to bankruptcy, that means say next year you know winter program with them. You get what I say? So you have to understand still. Yes, we want the money, $1,000 and cut it, but a business.
But we not get no $1,000 disappear yet.
Why rough? It rough, but I just say go. If you understand, I can't do cuss now. And then on the other hand, you have people who abuse the system. You understand what I say? So no when they have
give me a talk, no problem no. We say we get paid if first you get a blank week and we get paid the 15th. And my rent due the 8th. So when time I get a look $700 upon it first now.
Money done.
And me done that. And the blank week, my rent for pay, you know, say I pay till the 15th. Okay.
Where them are going to knock you down and say come out of the house because you don't pay me rent? You're not going to do that, but you know, you just have to understand sometimes. But my thing is that they shouldn't employ so much people, them know say. What them are doing, them are look on last year forecast and say, oh, last year did busy, so this year I got busy again. You get me saying? And I had this one bag of people and none have hours to give people. That is the issue. Now, in a food department, we have things can do. But guess what? Then take all people from State Farm, from Wisconsin, from back of Jamaica, come here and take we work. You get me and say? Because I don't work for them. So yeah, that is the issue. But for the business level, them have to do what them have to do. Get me? Alright. Peace and love and cocoa bread.
You don't know man for TikTok question that you are saying in your video. Oui. On the first bucket.
Finger came again and we got more Jamaican stuff. No need to show you. But basically we got yam, pigtail, crackers, lasco, bulla, and snacks and banana chips and Malta and those stuff. Yeah, and starfish. And we basically spend like $270 something and rum and bun and all them something there. So I'm just want keep you a little bit up to date with that. We got stuff. Basically I was at work. Oh, and tropical rhythm and supplement and sorrel beer. Like watch the fridge. No watch the. We just have to fling them in there. You understand? Because something else may have something else I'm more excited about, which I already know. So we need to do that the unboxing there. So right now I'm just fling everything in the fridge. Yeah, just flinging everything in the fridge. So just to update you, I'll catch you in the next clip. Oh, by the way, they cut us at 2 o'clock. We clocked out at 2:30 today, but previous clip would I explain everything, but yeah, it's fine. Anyway, look at our liquor thing. We have Rare Nephew, We have, let me show, we have so much stuff. We have Malibu, we have this wine, we have Bailey's, we have 2 Smirnoff around there, we have the Daiquiri something and Appleton, and this, and then we have stuff in the fridge. So we have that wine under there. Yeah. I got home and it said, hello, want to try something new? So let's see what's new, okay? I know what's new. My phone is new, so this is a new phone. And here it is. So it said it is honey garlic shrimp stir fry. I don't know, it tastes good, but I'll let you decide. Okay, bye. So this is it. It has shrimp and everything. It has a lot of shrimp. A whole lot. So what I'm going to do, oh, I forgot to tell you that we also bought mutton and fish. No wonder why I come up to so much. Anyhow, I'm going to leave this in here, and then whenever I shower and thing and tidy up, because over there, so it's a mess. It's a mess. So I'm just gonna finish what I'm doing now. I want to make some YouTube, what do you call it? I wanted to text on WhatsApp, but because my phone is transferring, I only can make videos right now. So I'm just gonna shower because I'm really hungry and see if I can get something to eat. Yeah. Yes, guys. So I got my new phone. I'm actually recording on it, and I actually realized that the video quality on this one is better than the one that I had before. I'm gonna show you. Well, you see it. I'm gonna show you in a minute. But yeah, I got my new phone. So this is my early birthday gift from me to me. Yeah, you know, this is not even my birthday gift. I'm gonna treat myself. Like, it's either I'm gonna get the drone or I'm going to get the MacBook. That is what I want for my birthday. Yeah, but this is like a Valentine's gift from me to me. Yeah, so yeah, guys, I got my phone and I am actually happy. It feels so good. I like it. The color is actually nice, and I don't know, it come like it's a thing, because when I bought the 22, when I just got over here, it was green, like a dark green, and then I got the pink one where what I thought it was like red, and then now I got this lighter green. So I don't know, every year I guess I'm gonna change the color, and then I'm not planning to buy a phone every year. Matter of fact, I don't buy it, I trade it in. So I'm trading the other phone, I'm gonna get this at a lower price because the other phone was valued at $750. So I basically paid like, I think it was $500 in total with tax and everything, and that include the charger, a case, 2 screen protector, and what else? Yeah, that was it. Yeah, so, and then the whole service stuff that they always give you. Yeah, so I am actually happy with this purchase or trading, and I like it. Looking forward to. And I actually, you know what I like the best? I like the fact that it's not even curved anymore. I like the fact that it's flat, so now that I can put my screen protector on it and the case now lift it up. So that is what I like about this phone. Anyhow, I'm not even using any light, and if it was the other phone, you wouldn't even see me this clearly. But yeah, so I just cooked some yam and dumpling and banana and stewed chicken. I'm going to have that, and then I'm going to send in some paper to our employer and watch a movie. I'll probably start edit because this week my days off are Friday and Saturday. So yeah, toodles.
You got me exclusive. I'm so high up and lucid. You take me to a safe place. We steady on the same pace. Yeah, I'm crazy. You like that? Don't back down. No, you talk back. Keep it spicy. There's a fat fact. We on a right.
Good morning.
Could I ready?
Lashes for days. Can I see a flutter? That's why I couldn't ready. That's why the bus leave us twice. Okay. Okay. Alright. Natural. Hey, Alpha. Eat up your something now with your man-made fork. This is what happens when you don't bring a fork, and then all the fork in the unit is dirty, and then it's in the dishwasher, and she cannot stop the dishwasher. You look the same about that chip stuff. But guys, listen, me offer some of this, you know. Me offer a big foot because it have 3 fingers. You could have used the 3 fingers.
You see how you're talking big foot, bro?
Big foot?
Banana chip.
It don't work though.
A win is a win.
Where there's a will, there's a way. Look at. Oh, it is though. It is good with the.
That soup too long, man.
That soup too.
That soup too long.
I can't with that.
You see, as you start with them, everything I go downhill.
Why that's how you just use your onion, man?
What's too hot? You may use my onion.
Drink out the soup and then.
We have to eat it together.
Okay. Alright. Ashley. So, how are you going to finish that? But you're being hungry, man. You're being hungry. Yeah, Ashley? Hey, Ashley crave, you know? Look over something Ashley eat. Ashley ate that. No, that time I want to know that. The cup soup, burger, chips, and she still have more stuff in her bag, and that's what she's going to eat, you know?
Lies.
Come on, pull it. You say you drink. Yes, the healthy. Pull it, man, pull it. Piece of a cookie bread.
We can't take it proper. We can't do it in peace.
Eat them?
We done it.
Alright. Let me give you a break. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today, what is today? Today is Tuesday, I think. Yeah. So, yesterday was the first time we actually got our full hours, but they'll be cutting us like some crazy hours, like 2, 4. But yeah, it is whatever. Something happened and we just don't like it. Like, why we can't behave whenever we go somewhere? And I'm not saying that it's us as in H2B, but workers overall, human being overall, J1 overall, you know, H2B, everybody overall. Like, why we can't behave? Like, why we have to push people to the limit? Because yesterday I'm hearing that one of the drivers quit because they couldn't manage the disrespect from the workers. Like, what? Why you got disrespect an old man? The man old, you know. And I grew up knowing that you should have respect for your elders. And yes, I understand that some of these elders, like, they're so hard to deal with. But still, like, enough for your God. Like, when I get it, I'm just saying that whenever you go somewhere, like, if you're in a detriment job, sometimes I need to just turn the other cheek with you. Or come my baby, turn the other way. That's so simple. But it is what it is. And we actually like the driver now. I liked that driver. But so you go. Now we have to leave out early because there's no shuttle for us. Because the man quit. Anyhow, leaving out to go. So, see you soon. Ashley, I cry, guys. Guess what? What you say now? Tell me now.
We get 75 hours, right? Me have people putting if you send money God Jamaica go get. No food. Rent due. My father's birthday.
You see, stress out.
Oh, me wonder me can't worry for this. I wish I be next year because I don't know. Me can't. No, send me baby money. And me can't buy no food.
But you did not cry, man.
Did find this morning. This morning,
You not no more tears left.
No, this is when I go work out that child. And the next thing again, you want me buy food, I want me not go food. No, I'm gone. No, I'm gone.
I can't manage. You say you can't manage. This is not our code for it. Code, right? Oh, God.
But you know, say, me have to buy my food and send me baby money.
So right now, you say sacrifices have a better, you sacrifice the rent. You leave out that door.
Me can't sacrifice me baby.
It's a no Illuminati business.
Maybe next year, but not this year.
So you're ready to gear up and leave out that door?
Yeah.
Make a igloo.
Yeah. Make up my mind. Me can't rent, food, baby, father birthday, and 5 things. With one little peer, we are not 40 hours, you can't work. Sacrifice.
So where next one?
I don't have to sacrifice. It's bigger one have to sacrifice. And I rent that.
You rent that 550. 550. You know what's so big?
Carly said, a 950 we get. I do 40 hours. So if we get 1,950, 950 from 550 from 950, how much? No, $400.
$400.
Blood clot.
I remember saying a penny at $500.
I'm a penny at $500.
Overdraft. Ain't nothing but your mother and your father birthday yet. And food. Then the maga next month, man.
No, right happy. No, then can't. Because the thing is, you know, me I get paid that week, yeah. And rent no due till next week, so. And the other week me I get paid, so that's not so bad. But if my cargo I start out. How long you have nothing but cargo again?
Because your life start out. Let's say your life so start out after you don't pay the rent, you gotta have extra money. You gotta have about $550 extra. So that $550 now you can put in an investment. And when you put in an investment, you can double your money now, and then now you can pay the next half in the year rent and then double the next one. Do whatever you want to do with it. You see nothing that look upon that. You just want to say your mother and your father have, your grandmother and your father have a birthday money. So you live out a door. You sacrifice living inside to live out a door so that they have a good birthday. You know, you're a good daughter. Good daughter, man.
You better me sacrifice myself.
Sacrifice her and they can't put you out. And if they put you out, maybe I'm going to say could I live with you, but boy, can't with the bangarang, you know. That's too much heavy load. So you just have to go to the door. If every now and then we bring food come to me, you understand? Can't suck up for that, don't.
Your blood clot. Look nice. Man birthday too.
Our Valentine's Day. February festive feel.
Hey.
No wonder why I treat paycheck in February. Because they see feel.
February festive.
I'm so glad I'm single.
I know me can't even work too on this.
They can't work. Yeah. Just say go.
Don't look more Jeff.
I know. Look more Jeff. Can't tell you the sad life.
Well, still start out cargo.
We only know if cargo start out.
Because you know you're back with my friend.
Suppose that they dead. You want to start out the way they. Be careful how we ask, eh? Because you see, you never die here from gully back, you know. Until you say sick.
Dead.
And then you hear saying dead. So be careful we ask, sir.
Come on, Jeff.
Oh, Lord. And I pray to you, know. Anyway, that is a little intermission. I say good though. Intermission. Yeah, intermission of our stress, peace, love, and cocoa bread. This is what we have to deal with every day with Ashley. It's either she a ball or she a ball. But she always a ball. Okay. Hey guys. So I don't know, it seems like when you have a jacket you feel cold, or probably because we just come from outside. But yeah, you know that freezing. Somebody asked me if we're not freezing. Yes and no. It's not that unbearable, but yeah, today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Look at this, beautiful, right? Today is Wednesday, and normally I would be off, but I'm not. And we had a meeting this morning, but we work tomorrow and then we're off Friday, which I'm kind of excited about because I never got a weekend off. They invited me to party, and honestly, I don't feel the vibes this weekend. I don't feel the vibes. I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. But yeah, I'm just a check in with you guys, and yeah. What for lunch? What for lunch?
TikTok.
So we're having macaroni and cheese, Frank's, because we never cooked yesterday. Are we hungry?
Such a great question. So as you guys know, we just moved to Dallas and I don't have a...
Looked him in the eyes and tossed it in the trash and said, if I'm not with you, I definitely won't be needing it. I poured water on a guy's...
Alright, so what do you do for a living?
I'm a cinematographer.
Okay, cinematographer.
Cinematographer.
So, can you describe your kind of woman?
I need a fair girl, whether tall or short, I'll manage.
Whether tall or short, you manage.
But yeah, she has to be fair.
Let's go there. So by the count of 3, you guys will face each other.
It's the O. You know? It's the O. What do you know? They invite me to go water park, you know. And I say, no, Roxanne want me and I have to go water park. And Roxanne took up herself today and gone to water park without me. And after me, I delay, no. But you see, after today what?
After today,
After
you're
today?
ice skating without me. You almost go on top of the mountain without me. By default, you don't reach on top of the mountain. But me.
And your point is?
My point is, you want to think them without me. Just
The other day, you know what? Somebody water park. We even have a person who say water park. And my family, they schedule me for work, but no, she can't water park. But you see, from today we're in Holy Malice.
You still can't go water park without me. That was by default.
Without you. Can't do whole heap of things more without you.
Only water park.
Anyway, I rest my case. Bye. Every night. Look there. Look for the hours. 7 o'clock and what is this?
Taco.
Dinner. Hungry for lunchtime and look what she again.
Who hungry for lunchtime?
Me.
Oh, so sloppy, slap. We got everything. What kind of family? Yeah.
Taco Tuesday, she say. Taco. Today not Tuesday.
Taco Wednesday. We know we are waiting like a kitchen.
I'm well convinced all day today Tuesday, you know?
Taco Tuesday?
Yeah, because Ashley asked me when I go eat a answer. Roxanne said Taco Tuesday.
And then
and Ashley didn't even correct me, you know?
Sorry.
Ashley, no, so you go when you work over here, you know, you don't know the days of the weeks. Peace and love and cocoa bread.
Ed, come down man, Ed, come down man, shoulder, come down man, toe, come down man, stand up the man, Ed, right up, go! Alright, go again.
Those in the cups. Step one side.
Alright. I'm on the other side.
Ready.
Come now, go.
Selector, no.
On the ready, everybody at jump and say yeah.
That's right. Pay attention. Sit down. Come to the floor.
Come again. Line up the cup down. Back in, and the back in. Stand up straight. Come.
Yes, speak English.
Listen up, man.
Yes, speak English.
Put up the cup there, man. Listen. Pose. Come again, Ed.
Up.
That's one of the people there. Stand up straight. Ed. Shoulder. Good on low. Watch out. Line up the cup there. That's like getting hand balance. How am I in there? Rotted. It's a good thing I go let me that photo. Toast. Jesus Christ, what is it over? Ed. Up straight. Hey, up straight. Toast. Ed again. I'm gonna like go to the pencil. Up straight. Yeah, look one in our laugh now. Look one in our laugh. the woman anxious. So listen, you want it? You want it? You want it? Let me go. The cup there ready? The cup there ready? On the cup ready? On the ready? On the ready? Bend over. Bend over. And by your knees. And by your knees. By your knees. By your knees. By your knees. Ankle. Ankle. Stand up straight now. Stand up straight. Shoulders. Knees. Toes. Head. Jesus Christ. Straight. Again. Knees. Go.
Alright, next game's there when I know if you go.
You get a cup? What the heck?
Come on, Vanessa, get back to this cup.
You lose.
Okay, guys. Shaquem have been disqualified. 1, 2, 3, start. Well, you know what that means. It's so easy, oh no.
Guys, I just got in and today was mad fun. I'm tired, my waistline hurt me. I drop like one bag of something. Went on the lift finally, but the top of the mountain was really foggy, so we didn't really see anything. But at least I had the experience of going up there. Went snowboarding and was trying to go ice skating, but it was fun. But I'm not gonna put it in this vlog. I'm gonna put it in next week vlog, because if I choose to put it in this vlog, it's not gonna make no sense, because this vlog, today is Friday and I'm tired. Just look out for it next week, okay? Yeah. So I'm just gonna end off the vlog right here. Thank you for watching. Please let me know which part of the video is your favorite part, and stay tuned for next week. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and share it to your friends and family. And yeah, see you next week. Bye.